Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua in order to request Allah for forgiveness of all types of sins and evils, and to request Allah to make our this life and the life hereafter more better, so that we can enjoy this life and the life hereafter. So Allah is ready to accept our dua. So we try our best to request Allah, to beg Allah with our heart and soul, and inshallah you will get the fruit of it. So I start reading dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma inni as'alukal afwa wal afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. Allahumma inni as'alukal afwa wal afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. Allahumma inni as'alukal afwa wal afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. Now we translate it. Allahumma, O Allah, inni, no doubt, I, as'aluka, I request you, I beg you, afwa, for forgiveness, wal afiyata, and the betterment, fid dunya, in this world, wal akhirah, and the world hereafter. Allahumma inni as'alukal afwa wal afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. O Allah, I beg you for forgiveness and well-being in this world and the world hereafter. So inshallah, try to request Allah with this dua whenever you find the time during the day and night. So inshallah, Allah's blessings will fall upon you, and because out of 24 hours there is a moment, a time which is acceptable for dua. So maybe when you requesting Allah, your dua will be accepted, then inshallah you will get the reward of the best reward. Your sinful things, evils, everything will be forgiven by Allah, and your this life and the life hereafter will become better. So Allah gave us tawfiq to request Allah with this dua. Allahumma inni as'alukal afwa wal afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah.